As we reflect back on 2019, whether we were doing a tool review, writing a best practice article, or doing one of our popular head-to-head tool tests, we're super grateful for your support. So here's a toast to you. In the new year, may your right hand always be stretched out in friendship and never in want. May you be at war with your vices and at peace with your neighbors. And let every new year find you a better person. May you never forget that it's the friends that you can call at 4 a.m. that matter. And may the hinges of friendship never rust, nor the wings of love lose a feather. Here's to 2020, everybody, and we'll see you next year. Peace.